Today's day 9 and there's 17 days left until Christmas. Today I'm making chocolate toffee nut clusters. First I have a large crock pot. I'm going to spray it with nonstick spray. Next I'm going to add 16 ounces of dry roasted peanuts. Then I'm going to add 16 ounces of cashews. Next add 3 cups of milk chocolate. Cook this on low heat for 1.5 to 2 hours, stirring every 15 minutes until the chocolate is melted. Once all the chocolate is melted, just give it one last stir to make sure the nuts are coated in the chocolate. Next, I'm going to add 1 bag of heath bar bits and mix that up until it's combined. Now I have some mini cupcake liners. I'm going to add a scoop of the nut mixture into each one, then put some Christmas sprinkles on top, and then put these in the fridge for 1 hour to set up. Here's an up-close look at the chocolate toffee nut clusters.